And we're back to learning Affinity in a year, day 43. Let me show you how I can create triangles. There's a specific triangle tool you will find where the rectangle tool is. If you can't see that at all, make sure that you're in the vector mode on the top left. And you can also right click on this box to find it. If you left click drag, you can see you can create very sharp or very flat triangles. But when you left click drag and then hold shift, it's gonna lock the aspect ratio, makes it 1 by 1, so width and height is the same then. If you release shift, that's not gonna be the case. And you can also hold Control, which repositions the origin point. So where you click and drag, when you hold Control, this becomes the center of your triangle. You can change the fill up here. And you can also give it a stroke, increase the stroke or go a little bit down right there. What's new though is at the top, there is now a top point for this element. So when it's selected, you can see top point. By default, it's 50%, which means it's in center, but you can make that 0 to the left or 100% to the right. Let me get rid of the stroke and you can see the sharp point at the top. As I've said, 50% is exactly in center. And this is how you can create triangles in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.